Good morning children, this is Sumalat, the math teacher of KAKATIYA Public School. Here you see children, today I am giving revision of geometry. In the geometry children, revision I am giving in circles and its parts. Already I explained you. So circles revision I am giving children. In the previous video I gave the revision of circles and its parts of definitions. Today I am going to revise you in circles some problems children. So I am giving the revision of problems from circles. First problem I gave, some problems I gave here. Find the radius of a circle whose diameter is 10.4 centimeters. See children, yesterday we learned the relation between the radius and diameter. What is the formula based on the radius and diameter? Here you see, diameter is equals to 2r. Okay, now here we are going to find the radius value. And they give diameter as a 10.4. Here beside you can write here diameter is equals to 10.4 centimeters. This is given children here. Diameter is 10.4 centimeter is given here, and this is the formula of the diameter and radius. Now we need to find the radius value. So see, we can change this formula as a, when I am shifting the 2 to the side here, diameter is divided by 2 is equals to radius. Why I am shifting means I need to find here radius value. So here diameter value I am substituting in this formula. 10.4 is divided by 2 is equals to radius. So 10.4 you need to divide by 4. Here you can see here. Divided nothing but you can take as a fraction and you can do the cuttings also. Here you see here 2 ones are, now 2 5s are, decimal point here as it is, now 2 2s are. So 5.2 by 1, nothing but here 5.2. So here diameter radius value we got here 5.2 centimeters is equals to radius. So radius value is 5.2 centimeters when the diameter value is 10.4 centimeters. Yes children, coming to this problem, what we need to find here, find the radius of a circle whose circumference is 264 centimeters. So we need to find the radius in this problem, and they given here circumference as a 264 centimeters. So circumference is equals to 264 centimeters. And now we are writing the formula based on circumference and radius here. So what is the formula based on circumference and radius here? See, circumference is equals to 22 by 7 into diameter. But we require the formula in radius. So I can convert the diameter as a radius. In radius, 22 by 7 into 2 into r. So diameter is equals to 2 into r. So now I can substitute the circumference value in the formula. So what is here? 264 circumference is equals to 22 by 7 into 2 into r. So I can shift the 22 by 7 and 2 nothing but here 2 by 1. Can shift these two numbers to this side. So 264 centimeters into, when I am shifting the 22 by 7, we need to write its reciprocal, nothing but 7 by 22, and here also I can write its reciprocal 1 by 2 is equals to radius. Now let's calculate the value here. 264 into 7 by 22 into 1 by 2. Come on, let's cancel 264 and 22 in table. 2 ones are 2 ones are. Next, 2 ones are 2 3s are 2 2s are. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, and 1 will be left here from 13. 1 will be left. So here 1 and 2 means again it will be 12. Next 2 6 are 12. After cancelling here I got the 66, and denominator we have still 11. So I can cancel the 66 and 11 in 11 table. 11 ones are 11. Here 11 6 are 6. So still any cancellation is possible? No. So what are the leftover terms in the numerators? 6 into 7 into 1. And leftover terms in the denominator 1 into 1. So 6 7s are 42. 6 7s are 42. 42 ones are 42 by 1. 1 ones are 1. So what is the last number? 42 by 1, nothing but 42 only. So here after simplifying I got the 42 here. So 42 centimeters radius value. So radius value is 42 centimeters when the circumference is 264 centimeters. Yes, children, next problem sir. Here find the diameter of a circle whose radius is 6.25 centimeters. So here what they give, we need to find the diameter, and the given value of radius as a 6.25 centimeters. So radius is equals to 6.25 centimeters are given here. And what is the relation between the radius and diameter? Already I told you in the previous problem also here. So diameter is equals to 2 radius. So I can substitute the given radius value in the formula. Here diameter is equals to 2 into 6.25 centimeters. Come on, let's calculate in rough column. 6.25 into 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 6 are 12. And here we have the 2 digits before point. Here also we need to keep 2 digits before point. Nothing but 12.50 here. So diameter value is 12.50 centimeters when the radius value as a 6.25 centimeters. Now coming to this problem here. Here also find the diameter of a circle whose circumference is 44 centimeters. Here also we need to find the diameter only, but the given here circumference value here. The given value is circumference is 44 centimeters children. This is the given value. And now we need to take the formula based on diameter and circumference children. Here you see circumference is equals to 22 by 7 into diameter. This is the formula. Okay. So here we need to find the diameter value in the given problem. Yes. So I am keeping the diameter that side and I am shifting the 22 by 7 to circumference. Means this side equal this side. So nothing but when I am shifting the fraction equal this side, the fraction we need to write its reciprocal. Nothing but 7 by 22. Okay. Now I can substitute the circumference value in the given here. Circumference is 44 centimeters into 7 by 22 is equals to diameter. So here I can cancel 11 2s are 22, 11 4s are. Now 2 1s are 2 2s are. So here what are the leftover terms here? 2 into 7 in numerator and by 1 in the denominator is equals to diameter. So nothing but diameter is equals to 2 7s are 14 centimeters. So diameter is 14 centimeters when the circumference is 44 centimeters. Yes, children, next problem sir. Find the circumference of a circle whose radius is 1.75 centimeters. See, we need to find the circumference children, and they given the value of radius as a 1.75 centimeters. First I am writing here 1.75 centimeters as a radius. This is the given value. Now, what is the formula based on circumference and radius? Here you can see here. Circumference is equals to 22 by 7 into diameter. Now, but they given in the question radius value. So, diameter we can write as a radius also. So, circumference is equals to 22 by 7 and diameter is 2 into radius. Instead of diameter I am taking 2 into radius. the previously we learned, children. So now I know the diameter value now, sorry, radius value now, so I can substitute that radius value in this. So circumference is equals to 22 by 7 into 2 into 1.75 centimeters. So we can calculate this in rough column. Here I am calculating, children. 22 by 7 into 2 into 1.75. So I can cancel in 7 tables. 7 ones are. Here 2 digits at a time I can cancel, but decimal number is there, my children. So I can take this is 0. And 17, it won't come in 7 tables. So smaller one is 2 times. So 7 2s are 14. So leftover terms are 15, 16, 17. So 3 numbers. Okay. So it will be 35, children. So 7 5s are 35, children. So what are the leftover terms in the numerator? 22 into 2 into 0.25 by 1. Okay, now 22 into 2 is 44 into 0.25 by 1, nothing, no need to take, children, in the denominator. So 0.25 into 44. Here I am multiplying, you can see here 0.25 into 44. 0 it is. So 4 5s are 20. 0 2 carry. 4 2s are 8. 9 10. 0 1 carry. 4 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 5. Sorry, 0 plus 1 1. Now with the second digit I am multiplying. See here 4 5s are 20. Same you will get, children. Why? Because here also we multiply in the ones digit also 4, no? The tens digit also 4 means you will get the same. But in the ones place we need to take the 0 here. 0, 0, 1 you will get. So 0, 0, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1. And here in the question we have 2 digits before point means the answer also you will get 2 digits before point. Nothing but 11. Here you will get 11. So circumference will get 11 centimeters when the radius is 1.75 centimeters. Then this problem, coming to this problem, find the circumference of a circle whose diameter is 84 centimeters. We need to find the circumference, and they given in question diameter value as 84 centimeters. So diameter is equals to 84 centimeters is given value. Now, what is the formula based on circumference and diameter is circumference is equals to 22 by 7 into diameter. So, we can substitute the diameter value this 84 in the formula. So, circumference is equals to 22 by 7 into 84. So, 84 centimeters. Come on, we will calculate in rough column here. 22 by 7 into 84, children. We can cancel with the 7. 7 ones are here. 7 ones are 7. One number is left here. So it will be 14. 7 twos are 14. Now what are the left numbers in numerator? 22 into 12. Denominator leftover terms are 1. So 22 into 12 are multiplying here. Directly I am multiplying by the 12 table, children. 12 twos are 24. 2 carry, 12 twos are 24, 25, 26 here. So 264. So 264, children. So circumference is equals to 264 centimeters when the diameter is 84 centimeters. Yes, children. I hope you understood the problems on circle and its parts. Here I give some worksheet on the topic. Here you see, find the radius of a circle whose diameter is 2.64 centimeters, circumference is 792 centimeters. Here radius you need to find out by using the diameter is equals to 2r formula, and circumference you need to find the radius by using the circumference formula. Nothing but c is equals to 22 by 7 into d. Instead of d you can take r, 2r. So you will get, children, in the calculation. Now find the diameter of a circle whose radius is 112.6 centimeters and circumference is 110 meters. You need to find out the diameter by given radius and you need to find the diameter by given circumference. Now, find the circumference of a circle whose radius is 322 centimeters and diameter is 567 centimeters. You need to find the circumference children by using the given radius and by given diameter. Thank you children.